Everybody's Christopher Small, the unconventional attorney, and I'm excited to be here talking with you today, getting these lives going again, and we're going to be dropping some knowledge every day. If you are here, come on in. The water's fine, and we're going to be doing some cool stuff. Before we get going, if you want to go faster, if you want to hang out with fellow law firm owners, if you want to hang out with me, go to circleofsmall.com and check out my inner circle group. Okay, it's fun and it's cheap, and you will get results. But that's not why we're here today. Today we are here to talk about how to get law firm clients fast using content. Now this is the primary way, probably I do some other things, but this is probably the primary way that I get clients to my law firm. I think I had 3 potential client meetings today. I have 3 more tomorrow. It's not always that busy, but it's pretty darn busy all the time. And most of the ways that people say they find me is YouTube, Google, right? Facebook, all these things. And you can do that too. And you can have very, very quick results all at the same time. And the way that you do it is very simple. You just hop on here just like I am right now. You hit the video button and you start talking. And you don't start talking without a plan though. I'm going to give you the framework here in a minute, but I want to share a quick story with you about how this can happen and how it can happen quickly. In April, I did a little workshop for some of the Inner Circle members, which you can check out at circleofsmall.com. And I made everybody make a video, all right, because I'm crazy. I want people to take action and get over their fears. And so I was like, okay, this is how you make them. Let's go make one. We made one. I think I made everybody make one over the lunch hour. So I sent everybody out to lunch. I said, we talked about this framework. Now it's time to go make one, and let's just see what happens. So that it happens. So they went and made a video, come back, we're doing some more stuff. And then we're all sitting around at dinner later on that night. And one of the people comes up to me and says, hey, her name is Heather. Hey, I made a video. I was like, I know, that's great. Good job. And she's like, no, I got a client out of it. Somebody reached out to me already today and said, I saw your video. I need your help. And I was like, what? She was a traffic ticket attorney. All right, just so you know. And then I had another guy, his name is Chris, come up to me and the same night. And he's like, Chris, what's up? I was like, hey. He's like, I made a video. I'm like, I know. I saw him walking around. I was like, I saw you. Your videos are legit. And he's like, well, thank you. But guess what? I got a client meeting scheduled for when I get back. We were in Kansas City. When I get back to Ohio, I got a client meeting scheduled because they saw my video on Facebook. And I was like, what? So anyway, this stuff really works. You just have to do it consistently, and you have to do it at all. You have to hit the record button, and you have to not be afraid to get out there and teach some people some stuff. So let me give you a quick framework. I'm trying to get in and out with these videos, try not to make them too long. At the beginning of everything, you need to know the ultimate goal is to help, right? You want to help people. You want them to leave your videos having gotten some value, even if they don't hire you, even if they don't do anything. You want them to feel good about you, and you want them to get to know you. And so that is job number one. The other things that you want to do while you're doing that is, you want to be entertaining, you want to be engaging, okay? You want to be interesting, you want to be yourself, okay? This is another big deal. Don't get on here and drone about. Like, imagine if I was on here right now and I was just going, the 4 things you need to do to make a video are. You wouldn't like that, and it wouldn't fit my personality too. So those 2 things wouldn't jive together. If you tend to be a little bit more subdued, a little bit quieter, that's okay. Own that, but know when you get on video, you got to turn it up a little bit if you want anybody to pay attention, okay? So that's the first thing. Come into it with the idea of helping, of teaching, of educating. You want your topic, the thing that you're doing, to be helping someone out every single time. It's okay to give away your secrets, because all that does is demonstrate to everyone how complicated things are and how important it is for them to call you and to get help from you. So that's number one. The other thing too is, now let's talk about this framework. How do we make these videos? Hold on. So that happens sometimes when you go live. That was my paralegal. So the other thing that we need to do is, what's the framework like? When you turn the video camera on, how do you do the things that you do? What's the sequence? I'm going to tell you that right now as well. It's pretty simple. Step number 1, you say hello, like I did. Basically, you're going to follow this video, except for the part where my paralegal comes in. Don't follow that part. Hey, it's Christopher Small, unconventional attorney, blah, blah, blah. Today we're talking about blank. Then you make an offer. If they want to know more, how can they get in touch with you? I like to do these vanity sort of URLs. They're fun, and people remember them. I have Call with Small for the syndicate. I've got Circle of Small with for my inner circle. And I've got estatemeeting.com for my estate planning, probatemeeting.com for probate. I would try to find one of those. If I were you, you just say it over and over again and people start to remember it. That is one thing. Offer. Tell the story, right? Talk about the story behind how you came up with the idea. Typically for me, it's going to be client meetings, potential client questions, things that come up in the news. I don't know, talk about all kinds of stuff. And then after that, you're going to teach the point, right? Teach the lesson. You make an offer after that, and then you wrap it up, and then that's it. So it's a pretty simple framework, right? It's like 5 or 6 steps. Intro, offer, story, sometimes offer right there, point, offer, outro, conclusion. Okay. You can also summarize it like I just did right there if it fits sort of the what you're teaching. Okay. Okay, everybody, that is it. I'm Christopher Small. I'm the unconventional attorney. If you want to learn more from me, I have all my scripts. I have all the things that I teach for Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, networking, mindset. I have a cool group of law firm owners that are all joined together. We have quarterly live meetings. We have weekly live internet meetings. Part of it, circleofsmall.com. Okay, super cheap, super fun. You'll learn a lot. You'll make some money. It'll be cool. Circleofsmall.com. All right. Okay. As always, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you know someone that needs to watch it, hit the share button. If you have a question or comment, leave one. Otherwise, as always, I so greatly appreciate your time. And I will be here tomorrow to talk to you again. See ya.